Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to TechEasy. Today in this video I'll tell you the new update from Instagram app, that is auto scroll when you're watching reels. See here, when you're watching reels on the Instagram, say let me open the Instagram. When you click on these reels, you need to swipe automatically. So many users may have requested for the auto scroll options, means no need to swipe the next reel. Once the reel is completely played, the next reel will be automatically get played. So first of all, that update is, so I'll be muting this reel. So this is what you'll do the scrolling, right? But there is a update for every reel. You have these three dots, right? You need to click on these three dots. Then there are two new updates: view in full screen and auto scroll. See here, auto scroll. So you need to enable this auto scroll. Okay, sorry. And you can also use view full screen. So now the reel will be shown in the full screen. See, yeah, this is the full screen, right? So see here, once the reel is played without me swiping, this is automatically getting to the next reel. This is auto scroll feature. If you feel this is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.